Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make these low carb, delicious, easy, simple breakfast ideas. So let's get right into it. So first I'm going to make the cinnamon apple oatmeal. This inspiration came from the little cinnamon apple oatmeal that's in the supermarket, those little packet things in a box. I love them. They're delicious. They're filled with sugar though, so I decided to make them myself. So with a twist, of course, you guys know I'm very extra. You want to chop up your apples just like this. I have a smidget of coconut oil, a smidget. When I say a smidget, I mean a smidget. You want to saute your apples down, remove them. Next, you're going to add the water, the coconut milk or almond milk, whichever one you prefer, and your oatmeal. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Next, you want to season this up with some cinnamon and some nutmeg. Once it's done, you want to add your apples right back in. Alright, so right at the end, I'm going to add my vanilla, mix it up, and remove it from the stove. Now this right here over here is more apples. It's going to be the topping for the oatmeal. You know, we didn't add any sugar or sweetener, so you want to add some honey, cinnamon, nutmeg to your apples and cook it down for about 5 minutes. And this is what it's going to look like. You don't have to cook it that long. So now I'm going to serve it up. You want to just put it in a bowl, and then you're going to put your delicious honey apples right on top. It has the cinnamon, the nutmeg. It's not overly sweet whatsoever. And you just put that little drizzle, and it'll be just enough sweetener for you to taste it, but not overly sweet. Next, let's move on to this smoothie, which is one of my favorites. I have my protein shake right there, which is my favorite one. I got it from Amazon. Again, everything you need will be in my description box. So I have raspberries. I'm putting some ice because my raspberries were not frozen. My fruit was not frozen except for the peaches. So you want to add the protein powder, your banana, and I'm adding water because there's enough fruit for sweetener in here, as well as the protein powder has its sweetener. So I don't need to add juice, but if you want to add orange juice or coconut water, which is one of my favorites, you could go ahead and do that. So I'm going to pour it up just like this. And it's so good, you guys. I love this smoothie, and I drink it a lot actually. Most mornings this is all I have for breakfast until lunchtime, and I just top it off with some more raspberries, and that's it. And this is the oatmeal. This is what it looks like. Like I said, it's not overly sweet whatsoever. Finally, I'm going to show you guys how to make a more filling for people that don't want the oatmeal or the shake. You're going to add your favorite sausage, whatever sausage that may be, and you want to sear it and get it a little crust on it just like this. Don't put too much oil in here either. I had maybe a tablespoon of oil, and then I'm going to add a whole bunch of peppers in there. You want it to be equal amounts of peppers or more peppers than meat. And then I'm going to season this with Spicy Girl. You can use your favorite Creole seasoning. And then now I'm going to make my sunny side up egg. And I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, and this is pretty much what it looks like. I put the peppers and sausage on the bottom, and then I just put my egg on top. It's so simple and easy, like I said, and delicious. And just to make it pretty, I added some cilantro on top. And that's it, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I helped someone out. These are some of the food that I would eat in the mornings. I don't really show this on camera because I feel like it's boring. It's not much of anything, but I wanted to show you guys examples of what I would eat of the things I eat in the morning. So thank you for your support. Thank you for the shares. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.